What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break NL. We're doing a quick Raz, Maple Leafs Raz. Top three are going to be winners in this one. Top name is taking home the Nylander. Second name is taking home the Red Kelly jersey. And the third name is taking home the Morgan Rielly auto and the Marner and the Matthews rookie. Here we go. We're live. Good luck. It is 6:35. Here's your list. J to Brady. 4 times, guys. Best of luck. 1, 2, 3. Is the timestamp. Timestamp is at 7:54. 7:54. Let me reload that. There you go. 7:54 it is. And last and final, top 3 are going to be winners, guys. Best of luck. There you go. Slane there removed from the top spot. Sean and Steven. Congrats, guys. Brian in spot 6 taking home the Nylander. Sean taking home the Red Kelly jersey. And Steven taking home the 3 leftover Leafs cards. Here we go. Last and final. Congrats, guys. Last and final timestamp is at 7:54 and just turned 7:55. So 6, 7, and 8 were the lucky spots in that order. Congrats again, and we'll get that at the ASAP.